Dak ba penpau ba omla bania shaba na ki Kyndon an uba pol lingdo menteri badai kami yakatnat kam chungo kai perthai bat kum unong aktien ka sarkar MDA2 habakren sikilap thai kubor kan no pai singi ka santrik ramphang arjar fulai ulong ba kam ya ban Ïalam Bakla pai ba halo ka Lokayukta ak ban Ïohnong Saiñ-Hima ulong ba ka jingpin khi yakamat Lokayukta kadai ban penkriat na kiwe pat kimat yakren badon kam kumman syukudo ba ka Voice of the People Party VPP klami syasurok bandawa thung kam biang ki officer ki blasa weng kam dangsyan halo ka nongrim ba kimde ki badang don hak jing sakri yaki kam ba kitrai
kat kum ka act ngimla ban engage ya ka service jongki priyo ki bala shongtha de kata kalong fundamental ya ka jingdan jong ka Lokayukta namar ka bor ka influence jongki priyo ki bala rita kala duna shibun banyak ki priyo ki ba ki officers ki badang don hak service de kadai baik tang haro jong ta nong remi pat ba nginam la ban diwit naga at kamtam gini diga at kepalawan hadin shibun ke jing khi keleng jong ka ri de ban penlong kam politics ya ni da ka ba Ïalam Bakla ya ka public opinion ka long ka ba nasnohi kamlong ethical kamlong ke badan burom bat kalong ru kajing bersang ban deflect ya ke public attention naki issues kiba don kam shisha di menteri kong kampari lindo ala dapat ni kedua ya ke VPP bat hadin kedua kilapan ru sa kajing kedua badu chief minister ya ke ba uru ula dap menjur di ngangek berkata bat kumjuk ke Kyndon jong ka assembly session kan la ba ka diglenti kalat yaki bagi wan ra ek ni ka jengkran bat nginum la ban kren ni ke ek ba palat ya ke ba ka at ka stipulate ke
kini ki keren sampai ba yang lada wen no ini real kan kata no ek tar jing tok ki kan kunta kan ban sil no ino yadan
hak nur kam kan sil namar ka Lokayukta kam dai directly hapo jong ka control the state government piru platif ni ka dai ka jingthmu hi kalong ba ka Lokayukta kan ai ya ka jing bishar ka balong fair but ba kam dai ruka department ba government department debat ki officers ki ba serve hang toru ki serve with a specific tenure but under a certain code of conduct ya ka performance jongki within ka Lokayukta debat ka jinyakran ka jong hapo jong ka ni ka commission ru kalong open to public scrutiny dia nak kata kanum don ke ai ru but ki minutes jong ki jinyakran ki jong ki haki meeting ru kalong open to public scrutiny de kanu ka kam ka bala ban le da ka ba buri la da ka ba influence ya ka sarkar
tu kata ke jingban gini ki officer kan kata ya kata ke jing tok
ha kanu ko kan kata ngaru nganum soto namar ha ka jing sisa ka point ri kalong ba ya ki bru ki ba mdei bantung ki ba kim qualify ban chat hung apa ka commission ka at kalong shai de ba gi de bende ki serving officers di lada ni ya tingka bat kata lada ni musla bat kata ka at kala bu ni hi ke sarkar ni cak kena bagi violate mangi dia harju ko por pi ong ba pi kwa ya ka transparency ya secara kadar harju ko por pi kwa ba sarkar kan pen kain bade ya ka at tu kumnong ini la ban le kita baru artli harju ko por
kai ka papitan man ong habai dei bat ki legislators taking to the streets for all issues, no? I mean, do you think that it is right for a legislator to shout in the street instead of debating in the assembly?
The whole purpose of us having an elected house is to facilitate legislators to debate and take part in discussions. Now, the electorate has given us a mandate in each of the constituencies whereby a constituency of say 30 to 50,000 voters would vote for a particular candidate, expecting him to represent their interest in the House of the people. But if I were to take my electors with me to the streets repeatedly, then the whole point of having elections is defeated. Second is, members of the opposition are also important members of various committees constituted by the State Assembly. Even the Public Accounts Committee, which is regarded as a mini assembly and an assembly which sits whenever the House does not sit, is headed by and chaired by a member of the opposition. Therefore, there is adequate room for the opposition to address all their issues within the four walls of the State Assembly and within the confines of the various committees constituted by the House.